This is a tutorial on how to record your voice so that you can create an audio file to insert into a Google slide deck. Whether you're creating a Google slide presentation or whether you're simply reading a passage or a poem to be inserted into a single slide, you can use a variety of techniques. If you use your phone, Android has a number of voice recorder apps that work really well and interface with your Google Drive. So you'll have to record it and then upload it to your drive. The same with the iPhone. The iPhone has a built-in voice recorder app, and you should be able to link that also to your drive. The secret is to create a recording and then get that recording in MP3 format onto your drive so that it can be inserted into your slide or slide deck. So for computer users and or Chromebook users, and this tutorial is mainly for Chromebook users, how do you record simply on your computer? How would I record with my Chromebook? So Chromebook does not have a built-in voice recorder. So you need to obtain a Chrome extension. That is an extension that goes into the browser so that you can then record on your Chromebook. So you would go to the Chrome Web Store and look for extensions and look for the online voice recorder. You can choose any one of the voice recorder extensions. I have found this one to be simple and works very cleanly. It will create the MP3 immediately and download it either to your download on your Chromebook or directly into your drive. Once you add the extension, you need to make sure first of all that it's pinned, either turned on by going to your extensions in your browser, or in the upper corner there's a little jigsaw puzzle thing up here. If you click on that, you should be able to click the pin. If you click the pin, it will show up in the bar. And I'll show you. If I unclick it, it goes away. There it is, so I can see it. Once I have my voice recorder pinned in my bar, I then click on it and open the actual app. The app, or the, extension, will look like this. It's simple. It has 3 buttons: the microphone record, the playback, and the download. So once I have this opened, the first time you click on the mic, it's going to ask permission to use the mic. So it's very important that you know the first time you click on this, you'll either get an error or you'll be asked to give permission to the mic. So be patient, make sure you give permission, and try this. Once you know it's working, and how do you know it's working? I click on it, I go, wow, I wonder if it's working. See, I get the cool graphic. I click stop. I can play back to test it. I go, wow, there, it's working, so I know it's now functioning. I then go to the thing, my tab of what I want to read, get it all ready, go to my voice recorder, click the tab. They punched him, stomach, face, stomach, vomit, then they laughed, shrill and maddening, ravens wail, winds shriek, squeezed banana, swear, I must have promised. Click the stop button, review it, tab. They punched him, stomach, face. So I've got my recording. Once I have my recording, I need to download it. So when I click the download button, in my browser, you can see it down here in the lower left, it downloads onto your Chromebook. It will download to the downloads folder on the Chromebook, or it may give you an interface that'll allow you to put it straight in your drive. You need to make sure that you get it to your drive. So if it went to the downloads, you can click and drag, or you can go to your drive, go to File Upload, find your way to Downloads, and it will be called Voice Recorder here with an MP3. It'll have the date and everything else on it. You click on that thing, click Open, it will upload it to your drive. And once the upload is complete, you'll see it down here. You'll be able to rename it. So if you click on it and go to the rename, it'll allow you to call it whatever you want. And you now have a MP3 file that can be inserted into your Google slide.